Hello kids, welcome back again. In the previous video, we learned a simple method to solve word problems step by step, right? Today we are going to continue with part 2 where we will solve slightly hard problems but in the same calm and easy way. Remember, word problems are not scary. We just need to understand the words. Let's begin. Before we start, let's quickly remember our 4 steps. First is read slowly. Second, underline important numbers. Third step, understand the question. And our fourth final step is choose the correct operation. We will use these 4 steps again today. When do we add? We usually add when we see these words like total, altogether, in all, more, or subs. Let's see an example. There are 28 boys and 15 girls in a school event. How many students are there in total? So here important numbers are 28 and 15, right? 28 boys and 15 girls. And what question they ask? You have to find how many students are there in total. So they are asking total. Total means you what operation you have to do? You have to add. You have to do addition. Means 28 plus 15 equals to 43. So your answer will be there are 43 total students in all. So when do we subtract? We subtract when we see the words like left, remaining, gave away, lost, or difference. Let's try one. A shop had 60 balloons. It sold 25 balloons. How many are left? So what is the question? Shop has 60 balloons, okay? And they are selling 25 balloons. And what question we have to find? We have to find how many balloons left. So left they are asking and they are selling. Selling means what? Selling means fewer means subtraction. So we have to do subtraction here. So 60 minus 25 equals to 35. So answer is 35 balloons left. Next, when do we multiply? We multiply when we see words like each, every, groups of time, and repeated. Let's see a question. Okay. There are 9 bags. Each bag has 6 apples. How many apples in total? So what the question is? See the question carefully. There are 9 bags. Means group of bags are given and each bag has 6 apples. Okay, so they are distributing 6 apples in each bag. And we have to find how many total apples are there. So when groups are asked and total we have to find out means it is at multiplication. So important numbers are total bags are 9 group. Okay, each bag has 6 apples and the word each tell us it has to multiply. Each means we have to multiply. Okay, so operation will be 9 into 6 will be equals to 54. So there are total 54 apples. When do we divide? We divide when we see the words like shared equally, divided among, each gets and split. Now an example. Okay. So example is 48 chocolates are shared equally among 8 students. How many chocolate did each student get? Okay. So 48 chocolates are shared equally. Shared equally means what? We have to divide. Read the question carefully. In the question only you will see the what operation we have to do. 48 chocolates are shared equally among 8 students. Okay. So let's see the solution. How many chocolates? 48 chocolates. What they are doing? They are sharing equally among 8 students. Now the operation will be shared equally means what? We have to divide. Means operation is 48 divided by 8. Means we will get 6. So answer is each student get 6 chocolates. Now let's try a word problem with 2 steps. You don't have to worry. I will show one step at a time. Okay, so first read the question. There are 5 buses. Each bus has 12 students. 4 students are absent. How many students are actually present? So read the question again. There are 5 buses. Each bus has how many students? 12 students. Each word means what? We have to multiply. So our first step is to do multiplication. So let's see the solution. There are how many buses? 5 buses. Each bus has 12 students. So our first operation will be 5 into 12 means 60 students are present. Okay. From that, 4 students are absent. Absent means fewer. Fewer means less. Less means we are subtracting. Understand that? 4 students are absent. Absent means doing less. Okay. Less means what we are doing? We are subtracting. So our second operation will be 60 minus 4. So 56. So actually how many students are present? 56 students are actually present. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try these word problems on your own. A cement factory produces 5,000 kg of cement each day, out of which 4,652 kg of cement was sold. How much is remaining? Second question. If 25 students donated rupees 50 each for charity, find the total amount collected. And third question. Riya purchased 7 bundles of notebook and paid rupees 2,750. The seller returned rupees 174 to Riya. If her friend Vidya purchased 3 bundles of notebook, then how much money should they pay together? Read all these questions carefully and try to solve them. Remember the steps, take your own time. And if you have any doubt regarding the question, please comment me. Great job for staying with me till the end. You are getting better at word problems step by step. Don't rush, don't panic, just read carefully and solve the method. In the next video, we will practice more mixed word problems. Thank you for learning with me. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.